back in a minute. I've just had a phone call from George, and he's found something in his house.
What?
Scaring him.
All right.
So I'm going to have a look. I'll be back in a minute. It's probably just something silly, but
Okay.
I'll film it and bring it back. You can have a look at it. All right.
Okay. All right.
See you then. Is that working here? Okay. Good evening, folks. I just had a phone call from my son, just lives down the road from me, and he says to me, "You need to come and have a look at this." And he's just found something in one of his outhouses, and he's told me to come and have a look and see what he's found. So I thought I'll bring you lot with me, and we'll have a look and see what it. It better be good. It's freezing out here. Yep. Is there a light switch in here? So, you're telling me this is going to be a surprise? Come on, what is it? It's just a manhole cover, isn't it? It's just going to be sewage, isn't it? See, I think you've had it open. Yeah. That sounds. Need a bit of light on this. Holy moly, George. Can you rest that up there? I'm going to have a look down. I don't want to fall down this. Hello? Oh God, George, that's spooky. How far does it go back? Hold on. The hell is it? When did you discover this yesterday? What's that pipe? See that pipe?
Oh shit.
What the hell is that? How deep is that, I wonder?
And there's an outlet there as well.
With what?
Outlet there as well. Something runs
I have no idea what this is.
Wherever that is,
It's deep. You're talking what? Is it down the steps?
I don't know if that's a reflection or not, but I think that's that pipe there.
Ooh, we don't like this. So, from here to that step, 10 foot? It's got to be, hasn't it?
It's probably more than that, yeah.
So then you've got the water as well. Have you got someone coming down to look at this?
Yeah. Right.
I'd love to know what he says. If anybody has any idea what you think this is, please leave a comment down below. Because this, I actually think I wasn't expecting this. Look at that. It's down the bottom of that water again with that pipe. Ooh. I wonder how deep the water is. We could drop something down, but we're going to wait for someone to come. Because you don't know what's in there, do you? That's spooky. Remember why? I think what you need to do as well, when we're finished, close the hatch. And make sure you lock that door. Because you don't want anything coming out of there attacking you in the night.
Goodbye.
Right. It sounds hollow, doesn't it? Okay, so if anybody's got any ideas? Ooh, that's spooky. He doesn't like it. He's really spooked about it. When he rang me, he says, "You better come and have a look at this stuff. I don't know what it is." So he's just moved in about 6 weeks ago. I think all this was covered in like plywood and then a carpet. So he's lifted it up and that's what he found. So he's got someone coming out tomorrow to have a look at it. So please, yeah, leave a description. Well, leave a comment down below if you think you know what it is. Because we haven't got on what that huge pipe is. And there's no smell, there's no fumes, there's no diesel, there's no petrol smell or anything like that. Alright, if you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe and share. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next one.